How to upload product images using Shopify mobile. To upload product images using the Shopify mobile app, start by opening the app on your phone and tapping the Products tab at the bottom of the screen. Select an existing product you want to edit or tap the plus icon to create a new one. Once you're in the product editor, scroll down to the media section and tap Add Image. You can then choose to upload a photo from your device gallery or take a new one using your camera. After selecting the image, it will appear in the product's media gallery. You can add multiple images, rearrange the order by dragging them, or delete any that you no longer want. Once you're done uploading and arranging your product images, tap Save at the top right corner. This ensures your updated product listing is live with the new visuals, helping customers get a clearer view of what you're offering. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.